Wouldn't you love to attend your WIC appointment from anywhere using your smartphone?
I can connect to my WIC appointment using my cell phone? Okay.
WIC Online uses the free app Zoom to connect you to your WIC appointment. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop with a strong internet connection. If you're using your smartphone, download the Zoom app ahead of time.
I like that I was able to do it at the comfort of my own home, where I didn't have to take my baby out during nap time. She slept through the whole appointment, and it was just easy to just be able to be home and not wake her up.
The WIC staff explained everything ahead of time, but it was so easy to connect. I was able to attend my WIC appointment during my lunch break. It was really helpful.
A day before your appointment, you'll receive an email. The email will have a link. On the day of your appointment, click the link at your appointment time. Then, choose Zoom. Be sure to give Zoom access to your microphone and camera. For iOS devices, click OK. For Android, click Got It. To connect your sound, choose Call using Internet Audio for iOS. For Android, choose Call via Device Audio. And then, you're in.
Welcome, everyone. Thanks for joining me for WIC Online
You can
today.
join 15-minute group sessions.
Hi.
How's that going?
Hi. It's going really well. Here he
Or
is.
you can schedule a private appointment with just
Wyatt,
you
say
and the
hi.
WIC counselor.
Hi, Wyatt.
It's so fun to work in an online setting. We're providing convenient options for families, and that's important to us.
Using technology and WIC to connect with our clients is awesome. It adds more variety and choices for our families. They're busy too, so this just makes sense.
Skip the drive time. Skip the hassle. Skip the waiting room. Do your WIC appointment from anywhere with WIC Online.